The Sandbox is a state-of-the-art facility that will be home to a unique cluster of some of the science's most powerful instrumentation. These technologies will empower our world-renowned faculty and our researchers to explore deeper than ever before into the biological and physical worlds. Our partnership with Thermo Fisher Scientific also serves as a shining example of successful public-private partnerships. This collaboration is creating innovative training opportunities for STEM students and broadening the diversity of tomorrow's scientific workforce.
In this dedicated space, researchers from all disciplines have access to Thermo Fisher's cutting-edge instruments and technologies that are driving advances in biology. One of the major themes of the Technology Sandbox is visualization across scales. Cryo-electron microscopy, cryo-EM, and cryo-electron tomography, cryo-ET, are changing how we study structures and discover drugs by allowing us to see biological systems at the chemical level.
Its role is to act as a hub, offering the most advanced instrumentation for units across the broad spectrum of UC San Diego science, from biological and physical sciences to health and engineering. In launching the Sandbox, our goal is to expand access to advanced technologies with state-of-the-art tools that will transform both research and education.
By democratizing access to transformative technologies such as cryo-electron microscopy, mass spectrometry, and genome engineering tools, we aim to accelerate breakthroughs in fields ranging from structural biology to drug discovery.
This Sandbox represents what Thermo Fisher's strategic partnership with UC San Diego is all about, bringing public and private partners together to innovate, collaborate, and accelerate research that will help solve science's most complex challenges. Together, we are empowering the next generation of brilliant minds to put their best ideas into practice with support from distinguished industry experts and leaders.
So if you look at the history of research in biology and medicine, it's really driven by new ways of seeing things. So ways of seeing structures, ways of seeing molecules, and that has really been the driving force of all of discovery. And we are extremely good at inventing new technologies, but it is often very difficult for researchers to access cutting-edge technologies.
What I'm really excited about with the Sandbox is this potential to bring together all of those experts. They'll be drawn in by the technology that we put together under one roof together to facilitate easy use of all those technologies, easy access for researchers, and then this will almost organically facilitate collaborations between different fields, different disciplines, and different technologies and expertise. We're going to have bursts of innovation and invention that would not have happened otherwise.
This space is really many microenvironments that have different types of technology in them, and yet they're all connected. And that was really one of our goals with designing this space, is to create places for scientists to interact. And I think one of the things that we're really excited about is that some of these technologies really interface with each other. So, for example, we can image cells with light, and then we can freeze them, and then we can image them using electron microscopy. So it's really the entire workflow from moving to imaging cells with light to imaging cells with electrons is right here in the same place.
One of the things that we envision for the Sandbox, and it's already happening, is that if you build it, they will come. People peek in, they want to know what's going on, they will sit down for a conversation, and eventually they will be excited about bringing their science into the Sandbox, use these new technologies, maybe contribute some of our own, and collaborate in a wider way because the space exists.
In the years ahead, the Sandbox will inspire scholars and give them the tools to become the next generation of changemakers in science and society. I'm very proud of our UC San Diego team that worked tirelessly to get the Sandbox launched. And I'm deeply grateful to the Goeddel family and our industry partners for their generous contributions that made it all possible. Thank you, everyone.